how to buy and sell crypto with BYBIT P2P. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'll be showing you how you could sell crypto on BYBIT. Now first thing, you need to go ahead and log in into your BYBIT application, and when you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. So as you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So on this page, what you have to do is you just have to go to the asset, and from here you need to go ahead and select P2P. If you're unable to find it, so you could just do this procedure without that as well. As you can see, there's this P2P trading. First of all, go ahead and select that. On the other field, you'll be able to see the sort of interface. So you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount, or here you need to select whether you're buying or selling. Then you need to follow the prompt. Likewise, you need to select the fiat currency you'd like to receive in your funding account. Enter the sell amount, enter in the fiat currency or the coin amount based on your preferences. You could also go ahead and select your preferred P2P payment method, and then you'll have successfully bought or sold crypto with BYBIT using P2P feature. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.